We've got like a multi-100-ton robot behind us. A robot whose sole purpose is to harvest garbage.
Robots do the heavy lifting, but the real intelligence lives in the software. AI that delivers superhuman processing, beating human accuracy, speed, and scalability by orders of magnitude.
What we've done is really reduce the sorting problem into a software problem. You are moving literal tons of material, but what you see is what remains after all the kind of sorting stuff has been condensed into software.
Look at this, like massive machine. This is a software system. This entire side of the system is mechanical. All the electronics, all the AIs in this thing over here.
Yeah. Not only did we create the AI, we created a whole control system. It's a whole sort of AI layer that sits on all of our devices and coordinates them.
You actually made it more robust, less brittle.
Yeah.
And then you've sort of relegated the software problem to a coordination problem and a detection problem.
Yeah, that's very well said.
Hardware has limits, but software can evolve. And when unfamiliar waste streams emerge, a single software update transforms every AMP facility into a dynamic system tuned to real-world conditions.
There was a huge issue for recycling facilities where people started buying more stuff on Amazon. They had smaller cardboard boxes, and a lot of those boxes were ending up with the bottles in containers because they're roughly the same size.
Because the assumption was boxes are a certain size, that's how I sort them.
Exactly, and so the material stream changed, and now the recycling facilities had quality, yield, all sorts of problems. When those types of things happen in our systems, it doesn't matter, right? Like you're like, okay, go sort the thing. I don't know how the waste stream is going to change in 20 years, but what I do know is it is going to change.
And so this machine will still just work. All you got to do is update the software.
Exactly.
So you're upgrading the tech as new innovations roll out rather than think about these as fixed centers.
Yes, totally. All of these systems are networked together. Our engineers are able to log in, diagnose any issue that might occur. We have these robots working on conveyor belts that move up to about 400 feet a minute. That's kind of like a fast jog. When we get to our jets, we sort on belts that are up to more like 1,000 feet a minute, and that's like an all-out sprint.
It's almost like magic.
It's like throwing garbage out!
Yeah. Now you can see what superhuman means, right?
Yeah.
Like there's no way you're going to keep up.
AI doesn't just modernize a centuries-old problem, it transforms it. A hardware challenge becomes a software system, one that keeps learning, adapting, and improving as the world changes, and is truly built different.